Hey everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the vibrant and captivating city of Miami. From its fascinating history to its breathtaking beauty, Miami has so much to offer. So, let's embark on this exciting journey together. Miami, one of the youngest cities in the U.S., was officially founded on July 28, 1896. The name Miami comes from the native Miami people who lived near Lake Okeechobee. But the story goes back much further. Originally, this land was home to the Tequesta tribe for thousands of years. Then, in the 16th century, Spanish explorers arrived, bringing the first European influences to the area. But what really transformed Miami into the city we know today? The answer lies with Henry Flagler, a visionary who invested in building a railroad to Miami, sparking significant growth in the region. Miami is famous not only for its pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters, but also for its stunning Art Deco architecture. Ocean Drive is a must-visit for anyone coming to Miami. Miami is also a cultural melting pot, especially with its rich Cuban influence. A trip to Little Havana is a sensory experience of music, flavors, and unique vibes you won't find anywhere else. So, there you have it. We've explored some of the fascinating aspects of Miami, from its history to its undeniable charm. I hope you enjoyed this journey and found more reasons to visit this amazing city. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.